Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use timeline view, also known as a Gantt chart, for project planning in Notion. First you need a database. I'm just going to generate the template database of tasks or projects. So click on the bottom and projects, and if you don't have one already, this is a good way to get started. Otherwise I'll show you what you need to do to convert your already in use database to add this view. Let's see, progress would be good. Okay. And right here, you can click on Gantt chart and it will generate it. So that's how you do it. Now, once we generate it, we can check the projects by status. We can look at all of them in a table database, and then we can click on the Gantt view, which will show it if we go back. They used start dates of 2025, so we have to scroll back here. But this is the view. And if you want to add a new project, you can just add new here. You have to do the details. You can always go back to the status and then edit it here. Oops, edit it here. I prefer editing it here in the all projects with Gantt. So that's how you do it. Now, if you already have a database and you want to add Gantt, so I'm going to show you what that looks like. So to add a new view, and you click on timeline, and it's kind of done. If we scroll back, we can see it. Now, it doesn't look as pretty as this, so we have to change some of the settings. Probably change property settings to status, and so you can see the not started or the in progress here. You can edit or hide as needed. We get rid of the end value, and you click on this double arrow to show the table. So it looks almost as good as a Gantt, and you can just add it. Now, I think what you need to do to get this view is you have to add a sort. Not sort. It's well, it is sorted by progress, but it should be group. So group status. So they're grouping by status. Okay, so then you would want to copy that to basically group by status, option ascending, and now it looks exactly the same. So there you go. Hope this helps. Thank you.